Most people get this wrong when trying to qualify for extra cash apps. They assume it is based on luck or instant approval. But here's the truth no one tells you. Approval is based on financial behavior patterns, not just a single application button. In this video, we are breaking down exactly how to qualify for Dave App Extra Cash in 2026, what actually matters, and how you can improve your chances step by step. Let's start with the basics. Dave offers a feature called Extra Cash, which is a small short-term advance based on your income and account activity. It is not a traditional loan approval system. It is a trust-based system. Now here's where it gets interesting. Think about someone like Alex who just downloaded the app. Even if he has income, he may not qualify right away because the app does not yet understand his spending or deposit habits. So what actually determines qualification? First, consistent income deposits. The system wants to see regular money coming into your linked bank account. Not random deposits, but predictable income patterns. Second, account activity history. If your account is new or inactive, the system has very little data to judge your reliability. That often delays qualification. But here's the problem most people miss. They expect instant approval without building any financial history inside the app. That is not how the system is designed. Now let's talk about the key steps to improve your chances. Start by keeping your bank account active with regular deposits. For example, Jake, who gets weekly or bi-weekly payments, will usually build eligibility faster than someone with irregular income. Next, avoid negative balances. If your account frequently goes into overdraft, it signals financial risk. That can delay or reduce your extra cash eligibility. Now here's something most users overlook. Direct deposit linking can significantly improve trust signals. When your paycheck is directly deposited into the same account connected to the app, it creates a stable financial pattern that the system can verify. Also, keep your account connected continuously. Disconnecting or switching banks often resets the data the system uses to evaluate you. Now let's bring it together. Qualification for Dave Extra Cash in 2026 is not random. It is built on three main signals: income consistency, account stability, and financial behavior over time. There is no trick or shortcut, but there is a clear pattern. The more stable your financial activity looks, the higher your chances of getting approved. To summarize, if you want to qualify for Dave App Extra Cash, focus on regular income deposits, avoid overdrafts, and keep your bank connections stable over time. That is what the system actually rewards. If this helped you understand how it really works, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of money apps like this.